Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a U-part wig. And U-part wig is a very popular wig we're selling because it's very convenient to install and uninstall. So before you sleep you can easily uninstall it and glueless. It's very convenient. And today's video let me show you a U-part wig which is made of the Remy hair, 22 inches. And this is the U-part parting space. You can actually taking off the belt and leave your own parting space here. And we can also do side parting like left parting or right parting. This is a 22 inches made of the Remy hair. As we know, our Remy hair is also very great quality. We can also make of the raw virgin hair, and we can also making any type of texture or colors to customize for you. Let me show you the inside structure. And inside there is clips or comb. Actually, this one is made of the clips. You can take in like this to clip with on your head. It's very easy. You just clip this on your head and it will be fastened and very secure. And when you sleep you can easily take it off as well. And see the inside again. And let me show you how it looks. This is the thickness of the wig. Very smooth and silky, and no any type of tangling or matting issue. Great quality. So U-part wig is also very versatile. You can making any type of texture, density, or colors, lengths. So if you wanna customize your own U-part wig, you can feel free to place your order on our website, or you can feel free to contact us and place your order. So Joice here will dedicated to providing the best U-part wig for you. And if you also doing the wholesale deal, you can also contact us. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and have a great day.